Good morning. Started day 2 on our little weekender camp trip, and Henry and I scrabbled up a bunch of rock, and here we are above the campsite, and the sun's coming up. Last night was perfect. Everybody slept well. And there's Henry. Let's see if we can get him silhouetted by the sun. There he is. Down there's our campsite. This is the road we came up through the little valley that we're in right here. Today we might hike back this way, back over here, and then up through that way and up that. Looks like there's a path that goes up through there. So lots to check out today, lots of fun things to do. But these rocks have some really cool formations, so we thought we'd come up here and scrabble around a little bit. Right, Henry?
Yep.
Let's see, we'll get, there he is. Good morning, breakfast crew. Well, here we are, the far point of the hike. We didn't go super far, but we made it to this really cool little bowl up this valley that stretches back that way, which is the way we came. And yeah, there's so much variety around here. So many different cactus. Beryl, cholla, ocotillo. Kind of amazing. Yeah. And the whole valley is populated with this desert lavender, which is one of my favorite plants. It just smells so good. We left camp that morning, heading southeast through Dos Cabezas. It's part of the park that we haven't seen before, and it was actually kind of cool to get in some new experiences. There were some great campsites out there as we drove around. In my upcoming trips, I'm going to have to get some time out there bouncing around and checking it out.
But it's not a good idea anymore, because remember when I was talking about the delicate ecosystem that lives on. Yeah, you told me, Henry. Like doing this.
There's a big water tower out in Dos Cabezas that's a remnant of the Impossible Railroad. We headed past the water tower and up onto a big slab where we kicked back and had some PB&Js for lunch. Today we messed around in Dos Cabezas for a while, had some lunch, and then headed up to Canyon Sin Nombre. We're headed to the mud caves today, and I like going down Canyon Sin Nombre to get there. It's a little bit out of the way, but it's a really fun jaunt until you get to Vallecito Creek. Valencia Creek, Vallecito, something like that. Anyways, that's where we're at today. These are the Arroyo Tapiado Mud Caves, and they're these amazing formations that over a couple hundred years, I guess, water has cut channels into the mud. And we've come here a few times before, but every time it's just so magical. Henry was super excited to come. Look at me. Is this what you were hoping for? Check it out, Joe. It's like this dust wind that's going past.
The only thing in this cave?
Yeah, just this wide opening. Yeah, you can go in there. Put your headlamp on though, yeah. Here, you want this?
Okay.
And there they go, my children, off into the abyss. Well, we made it to our campsite. It's this little rise at the at a turn in this slot canyon. Off that way, if you continue on, you'll make it to Diablo's drop off. But anyways, night 2, campsite. Here it is in all its pineapple glory. We made a skillet pineapple upside down cake.